Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Zion Reggae, yeah man. Deep where sea and lightning meet, ocean fire beneath your feet. Every wave a spark of flame, every drop a sacred name. Fish a see the glow below, ocean whisper, tides them flow. From the depths come voice so clear, truth of Jah ever near. Elders stand up on the sand, ocean fire bless the land. Every breeze a hymn so sweet, heat and water now compete. No illusion, no more chain, ocean fire cleanse the pain. Every tide a holy psalm, ocean bring eternal calm. Sailor gaze into the blue, see the fire burning true. Every spark a sign of grace, ocean hold the sacred place. Babylon ship may rust away, ocean fire forever stay. Every storm become a prayer, ocean flame still burning there. Poet write by lantern light, ocean fire ignite the night. Every verse a shining wave, every thought a soul to save. Even darkness find its glow, ocean fire still below. Ever bright, forever free, burning deep beneath the sea. Shall them laugh up on the shore, ocean fire bless them more. Every heart ignite with love, like the stars in sky above. From creation till the end, ocean fire our faithful friend. Everlasting, pure and grand, ocean blaze across the sand. Burn, burn through the sea, light of hope and unity. Rise, rise, golden high, ocean flame will never die. Ocean fire bright and pure, cleanse the world and make it sure. Never fading, never gone, light of Zion carry on. Ever shining, fierce and free, ocean flame eternity. Water, fire, heart and sky, Jah creation sanctified.
Na Zion ganja ya man. In a silence of the field, wings of the ground reveal the shield. Every feather born of clay, lift the soul and clear the way. No machine, no man-made plan can stop the flight of earth to man. Root and air, them intertwine, wings of soil, divine design. Held a kneel and touch the dust, wings of ground he hold in trust. Every seed a dream reborn, fly fly from dust to sacred morn. No corruption reach so low. Wings of ground in secret grow. From the dirt to endless sky, spirit rise, them never die. Poet write in gentle tone. Wings of ground make word his home. Every phrase a flutter bright, lifting truth from dark to light. Babylon sink in greed and fear, but wings of ground still reappear. Every motion soft yet grand, carry peace across the land. Farmer soul is faith so strong, wings of ground still sing the song. Every harvest bring reward, blessed by Jah, eternal Lord. Even storm can't hold them down. Wings of ground where nature's crown. Every root and every leaf carry a message of belief. Child them dance upon the plain. Wings of ground release the chain. Every laughter shake the tree. Spirit whispers silently. No despair, no fear remain. Wings of ground erase the pain. Every breath a holy vow. Earth itself is flying now. Fly, fly deep and low. Wings of ground make spirit grow. Rise, rise, pure and free. Carry truth and harmony. Wings of the ground, bold and wide. Lift the heart from deep inside. Never fading, never still. Wings of Jah, obey his will. Everlasting, firm and true. Wings of love for me and you. From the soil to endless sky, wings of ground will never die.
Na na na, Zion reggae, yeah man. Na na na, Zion reggae, yeah man. Keep a walking, shadows glow. Guard the flame we seldom know. Every night he light the way, so the lost can find the day. No applause, no fame, no crown. Keep on, never turn around. Every step a quiet vow. To hold the truth we need somehow. Elder tell of keeper's path. Born of mercy, free from wrath. Every candle small yet bright. Keep a guide through endless night. No man see the work he do, but your reward him pure and true. Every whisper calm and kind. Keep a heal the troubled mind. Child them ask who light the star. Keep a smile from near not far. Every flame a story told. Keeper's hand so strong, so bold. Babylon fade but still he stay. Keep a guard the righteous way. No corruption, no deceit. Keep a heart forever be. Na 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 na, Zion reggae, yeah, man. Poet dream and vision clear. Keep a song he start to hear. Every note a glowing prayer. Keep a spirit everywhere. When the night seem endless long, keep a hum the ancient song. From creation calm and wise, keep
Keep a shine where darkness lies. Morning come and light reveal. Keep us work beneath this steel. Every shadow fade away. Keep a bring the golden day. Everlasting, true and free. Keep a guard eternity. Every soul he helped to rise. Keep a song still fill the skies. Shine, shine, sacred flame. Keep a call the holy name. Guide, guide everyone till the work of love is done. Keep our song strong and pure. Carry faith that will endure. Never fading, never gone. Keep us light forever strong. Ever shining, calm and wide. Keep her walk by your side. From the dawn to setting sun. Keep us work is never done. Na Zion reggae, I'm on.
No, ganja is the life, you man. Oh, Carver sit by morning flame. Chisel sing Jah holy name. Every stroke a prayer in wood. Shaping peace where once war stood. No machine can match the grace. Light reflect upon his face. Every carving smooth and deep. Spirit watch while angels keep. Through the grain these stories run. Carver carved the moon and sun. Every mark a hidden code. Path of wisdom gently showed. Babylon craft with greed and haste. Carver build with love and taste. From the timber truth is born. Light of mercy crowned the morn. He carved the lion strong and wise. He carved the bird that never dies. Every curve a memory. Every shape a melody. Child them gather, eyes them gleam. Carver build them Jaja dream. No illusion, no deceit. Light of work makes soul complete. When the sunset paint the hill. Carver carve with patient will. Every piece a world reborn. From the night to shining morn. His hands are rough, his heart is kind. Light of peace dwell in his mind. Every mark a holy vow. Carve a living spirit now. Elder come and bless the tree. Carver bow respectfully. Every branch a legacy of creation's melody. From the wood, the fire, the sound. Carver keep the people strong. Every statue, every line. Echo Jah design divine. Carve, carve, bright and clear. Shape of the truth we all hold dear. Shine, shine, hand of flame. Write your glory, praise his name. Light, Carver, child of peace. Build a world where hate shall cease. Never breaking, never gone. Carver sing creation song. Oh, no, no, ganja is the life, your man. Ever shining, pure and grand. Craft of love from Jah. Every shape, both rough and fine. Light Carver, soul divine.
See like my rastas, my stone and sweat. Come on beside ya, man. You see I walk through the fire and smoke. She smile like sun, but she not no joke. Locks flowing, eyes them deep. She hold the wisdom you can't fake or keep. Inna the city, full of haste, but she move with royal staff in her hand. She walk like queen through concrete land. We step to her, heart a beat. They say, sister, you bring light to the street. She laugh and say, me no look fi fling, me look fi king who chant and sing. Rasta love in a Babylon, still burn like sacred song. She and I in sync and strong. Two soul fight for right now wrong. We rise like fire in a storm, holding tight when night gets warm. True love, roots connection. Rasta love in a Babylon. We sit on rooftop, herbs ablaze. Talk about life, give Jah praise. She teach me about patience and faith. We show her how to chant and wait. We not rush, no need no ring, just truth and rhythm. Everything when the system try split the vibe, we meditate and realign. She whisper words, them ancient deep, about river stars and people weep. She not just pretty, she divine. In her soul, Zion sign. We walk hand in hand through dirty lane, but clean in spirit, pure like rain. She said, Babylon can't break with chain. If love remain, we sustain. Rasta love in a Babylon, still burn like sacred song. She and I in sync and strong. Two soul fight for right now wrong. We rise like fire in a storm, holding tight when night gets warm. True love, roots connection. Rasta love in a Babylon. We write her name in smoke and star. Tell Jah thank you for who you are. No Gucci thing, no flashy life. She is queen, me empress, me wife. Them I watch and wonder how two Rasta still hold vow. While world a crumble round the way, we hold hands and start to pray. Me remember when me used to roam. Now she make me heart feel like home. She feed me soul, me give her tune. We rise like sun, we bless like moon. The world still cold, still
Na na na, na na na, done by the riverside, yeah, man. Me trod so long through rain and sun. Each step a battle, each fight hard won. Through valley deep and mountain high, Jahanda guide me spirit fly. Me cross the river, me face the storm, but love keep me heart warm. Now me see the golden light. Zion gates just come inside. Open the gates of Zion wide. Let the righteous step inside. Sing this song for all mankind. Leave the hate and fear behind.
Leave the gates of Zion wide.
Na na na.
Let the righteous step inside.
Na na na.
Sing this song for all mankind.
Na na na.
Leave the hate and fear behind.
Me hear the trumpet start to play, announce the dawn of brighter day. The people gather young and old, every story now retold. We lay we burdens at the door, pick up joy forevermore. Zion call like mother's song, calling we where we belong. Me see the garden lush and green, peaceful as me ever seen. River run with healing flow, tree of life in center grow. Every fruit a taste of grace, every soul in perfect place. No chain, no prison, no divide, only truth and love abide. Me meet the elders pon the hill. Them tell me, child, keep treading still. The journey
long but worth the pain. For every seed bring righteous gain. We sit and reason through the night, under moon and holy light. Them say Zion gates never close, for heart that pure and spirit knows.
Step inside, children, step inside. No more run, no more hide. Leave Babylon, dust and road. Come trudge a righteous road. Lift your voice and lift your hand. Give thanks for the promised land. Every beat of the drum declare Zion love be all who care.
Call the name, shout it loud. Zion stand above the cloud. The choir rise, the voices blend. Song of life that never end. Each note a blessing, pure and strong. Every soul sing along. Me feel me tears, but them sweet, like water at Jah feet. Zion gates swing open wide. Jah light pour like morning tide. Me see the children run and play, bright like sunrise every day. No hunger here, no war, no cry. Just promise fill the sky. We share the bread, we share the wine. We walk the path so divine. Drums still beat, heart still warm. Zion peace, the perfect form. When nightfall come, no darkness near, for Jah light shine crystal clear. We rest beneath the holy tree. Tell Jah thanks fi set we free. Me close me eyes and hear the sound of love and joy all around. And when me wake, me still inside. Zion gates forever wide. Open the gates of Zion wide.
We step in with Jah as guide.
Leave the hate and fear behind.
Only love for all mankind.
Open the gates of Zion wide.
Rasta children step inside.
Zion gates forever wide. Jah light inside, Jah light inside. Zion reggae, yeah man. Oh,
Inna the hills, me build me hut. Smoke rise slow, peaceful up me gut. No stress, no rush, no deadline. Just the herbs, the drum and just sunshine. Wake up with the sunrise glow. Cup of bush tea, watch the stream flow. Birds are sing rhythm pon the tree. Nature surround, I just set I free. Me no have no mansion, me no have gold, but the wisdom in me soul that never get old. Me burn the chalice with a humble heart. Each draw remind I way life start. Hillside vibration, higher meditation. Ganja in a hand, no hesitation. Drum beat echo in a morning ear. One love spread, no hatred here. Rasta live simple, Rasta live wise, with the stars above and roots fi guide. No traffic, no siren, no noise, just the flute and the Rasta voice. Me plant me food, me reap me ground. Give thanks when the rain come down. Me reason with me elders, laugh with me youth. Teach them fi stand firm in a Jah truth. Nights we
chant, blaze fire upon hill. Drumming and chanting until we feel still. Hillside vibration, sacred foundation. Blaze one figure in a full dedication. We no need no fancy screen, just stars and firelight in between. Rasta na follow, Rasta lead, with natural love and righteous seed. Me see too much man, chase shadow and dream, blind to the light and Jah redeem. But up your soul, me find me breath, away from confusion, away from death. Each leaf me touch, each tree me pass, teach I listen, show I class. I and I walk with the moon and tide, and chant melodies with nature as guide. Children run barefoot in a day yard, life sweet like mango from me backyard. Me play me guitar under the stars, sing for the ancestors near and far. Me no need no applause, me no need fame. Me chant in a hills with Jah holy name. Me no war, me no fuss, me live clean. Me temp me natural, me vibe serene. Hillside vibration, soul elevation, with ital stew and deep meditation. Come fi visit but leave your worry. Me teach you how fi slow, no hurry. Inna the hills, Rasta man reign with a smiling heart and no pain. So if Babylon life make you feel low, come find Rasta up where breeze blow. Ganja drum and harmony, live free under Jah canopy. Zion echoes bring this sound from hillside art to world around. Nana, ganja everywhere, yeah man. Me day up on the earth with no cheering from me mind. Me spirit like a lion, ancient and divine. No gold watch, no office life, just the sun, me herbs and natural life. Me walk barefoot, panjalan, feel the heartbeat in a me hand. Mountains whisper secrets deep, and me hold them sacred in a sleep. Firelight and freedom, that me need. Herby naturalist, pure soul me feed. From Kingston to Addis, me heart a drum. Rasta nah run, we just chant and come. Firelight and freedom, no stress me keep. Just chant a psalm when the night get deep. Give thanks for the moon and stars above. Every draw me take is a prayer of love. Me no need mansion or diamond ring. The highest treasure is the song me sing. Me life no complicated, me keep it real. I tell stew cook while me spin the wheel. No TV brainwash, no fake illusion. Me sip me roots tonic fi clear confusion. Rasta teach patience, Rasta teach grace. Me move with balance in a Jah place. Me see people chase things them can't even hold. Me prefer a hammock and sunshine gold. Rasta no bow to vanity dream. Me trod light through every stream. Me light one candle, burn one leaf. Me chant out pain, me chant out grief. Jah guide me steps through thunder and storm. Me spirit stay cool, me heart stay warm. Firelight and freedom, me inner guide. No system can drown this holy tide. Me blaze one eye, give thanks in song. Rasta nah stray, me root control me fate. Me soul walk free through Zion gate. Each morning me rise with the birds. Me write me joy in musical words. Me plant me seeds with love and care. And me meditate till me mind feel clear. Herb is me healing, not me escape. Me no run from truth, me shape me fate. Every draw a sacred right. Open me mind to inner sight. Rasta life no easy, but it's full. Full of vibes and spiritual pull. When me drum, me talk to stars. Me soul connect with ancestors afar. So me sing with no fear. Me chant till Babylon disappear. Firelight and freedom, soul liberation. Ganja burn down, mental separation. From hillside drum to concrete lane. Rasta vibration will still remain. Firelight and freedom, sweet release. Me live for love, me live for peace. So come here now and rest your mind. Leave your phone, your clock behind. Under stars with my ablingy flame. Me call your name and feel no shame. In this life of freedom and reason, me hold tight to firelight and freedom.
Morning sun and evening star, garden eternal
with Zion Ragaya man. On the Irie highway, we cruising slow. Smoke from the chalice start to flow. Sky wide open, no cloud in our sight. Rasta heartbeat steady through the night. We no follow, no system clock. We move with the sun, step with the rock. Herbs in our hand, wisdom in our head. Jah guide with steps where angels tread. Irie highway, carry me home. Far from concrete and Babylon dome. Blaze up the fire, chant to the sky. Lift up the spirit and let it fly. One love vibration, no complication. Just herbs and meditation. I remember days under city light. Soul in a cage, heart lose fight. But Jah call me through the smoke and breeze, whispering softly through sacred trees. Now me barefoot on sacred land, drumming truth with the healing and no fear. In this sacred path, just love and the ancient craft. Irie highway, take I far, past illusion, past war. Rasta will turn in Jah direction. Roots man, soul in resurrection. We no chase money, we no chase fame. Just the Irie fire and Jah name. They don't teach this in a no school. How fi live humble, how fi stay cool. Herb in a pipe, knowledge in a heart. That's where the higher living start. So when you're lost in a world of fear, step on the highway, Jah draw near. I see the stars wink in the sky, like them know how the truth lie. We sip tea from the roots and leaves, balance the body, calm the breeze. No need for stress, no need for rest. Jah timing always in place. Rasta no rush, Rasta no run. We move with the moon and praise the sun. Irie highway, freedom call. No wall too high, no Babylon tall. Smoke up, rise up, chant and pray. We dip on the Irie highway. So if you feel down, feel out of breath, come find life beyond the death, beyond the system, beyond the screen. There's a place where the soul stay clean. This is reggae, for the meditation. Words of fire, soul salvation. Zion echoes, call your name. Irie highway, feel no shame. Nightfall come, the world so still. Moon of Zion shine Jah will. Silver glow upon the land. Moonlight blessing by Jah hand. Babylon darkness can't prevail. Moonlight guide the righteous trail. Every beam a holy flame. Moon reflect Jah holy name. Children rest and mothers pray. Moonlight bless the righteous way. Elders chant beneath the glow. Moon of Zion let them know. Not in shadow, not in fear. cycle strong and true. Moonlight guide both me and you. Ocean tide obey the call. Moonlight blessing shine for all. Traveler lost upon the sea. Moonlight set his spirit free. Every dream of vision clear. Moon of Zion always near. Generations gaze above. Moonlight blessing full of love. Through the valley, through the plain, moonlight shining, joy and pain. Babylon weapon can't destroy. Moonlight blessing Jah employ. Every star a witness stand. Moon reflect the holy plan. Endless cycle pure and bright. Moon of Zion guard the night. Prophecy and poet write. Moon inspire Jah light. Every creature small and great. Moonlight bless the righteous faith. From creation till today. Moonlight guide the holy way. Eternal promise never cease. Moon of Zion shine in peace. Yeah. Strong, moon of Zion all along, forever glowing, never fall. Moonlight bless the people
like breeze pan river. Every step make me heartbeat shiver. Crown pan her head, spirit so divine. She now wear gold, but she always shine. King Ital chanting Psalms 23. Me empress guide me spiritually. She no bow down to vanity. Jamaica pure in simplicity. She a the queen of me temple, fire of me night. She light me chalice and hold me tight. She teach me patience, she keep me wise. With just one gaze from her soulful eyes. Yeah, she a roots gal, pure and true. When me lose me way, she bring me through. She a the queen of the natural vibes. In a this chaos, she help me survive. Me empress rise before the sun. Meditate long for the day begun. She plant the seeds, she know the land. She build the future with her bare hand. She read scriptures like lullaby and teach the youth them not to lie. Me love how she not chase trend, but live with honor, start to end. Many women me see, but she stand alone. me side, me stand strong. She roll up wisdom, burn the shame. She call me king, she know me name. Yeah, she a roots gal, humble and free. She move with grace like ocean sea. She a the queen of the Rasta flame, and me love her more each time me call her name. Me empress, no flex, feel likes. She meditate more than she type. She know how Babylon try confuse, but she stay steady, she never lose. She dress royal but live low key, speak soft but move like prophecy. Every youth see her want to learn how to live righteous, how to earn. She a the queen of me temple, warrior soul. With ancient knowledge she keep me whole. She plant me joy, she reap me pain. She cool me fire like mountain rain. Yeah, she a roots gal, light and spark. She guide me path when life get dark. She a the queen of the Zions.
Rasta Marcus is so high, man. Hear the thunder roll so deep. Voice of Jah awake the sleep. Shake the mountain, shake the land. Thunder sound the righteous hand. Babylon tremble, fear the call. Thunder break them system wall. Every clap a prophecy. Thunder roar eternally. Children stop and listen clear. Thunder say Jah always near. Elder lift them hands so high. Thunder echo across the sky. Not of terror, not of hate. Thunder seal Jah righteous fate. Every roll a holy flame. Thunder glorify Jah name. Desert quake and forest cry. Thunder echo far and high. Ocean wave and rivers flow. Thunder let the nations know. No false king can hide away. Thunder of Jah here to stay. Generation hear the sound. Thunder shake the battleground. Prophet chant and priest proclaim. Thunder speak Jah mighty name.
rise up early, dew on ground, barefoot step where truth is found. Me hear the wind, me hear it moan, like voices of prophets long time gone. Them warn we bout chains in a silver guise. Them said the system wear disguise. Gold teeth, big screen, plastic smile, but all them path is pure big guile. Me nah fall fi Babylon bluff. Me built from roots, me spirit tough. Me carry words like sacred flame. Me chant each verse in Jah name. Me see the towers high and proud, but underneath me hear the crowd screaming for justice, crying for peace. But Babylon hand never release. Dust of the prophets rise again, float through street like holy rain. Voice of truth not ever die. It live in I, it live in I. Dust of the prophets blowing breeze through ghetto lane and ancient trees. It called the children, be awake, fi tear down wall, fi roots remake. Me sit in a silence overstand, home and trade soul, fi piece of land. Them build the system strong like gate, but every gate still bound fi break. Now remember teachings of me forefathers, how them chant through fire, still them rise. Me nah go bout to take over lords. Me read me fate in just stars. Me words them sharp like cane machete. Me truth not sweet but it necessary. Them try fi blur the sacred line, but I walk straight, design divine. Me not trust no politician mouth. Them smile while robbing north and south. But in a me yard, me chant me psalm. Me spirit cool, me heart stay calm. Dust of the prophets rise again, float to street like holy rain. Voice of truth not ever die. It live in I, it live in I. Dust of the prophets blowing breeze through ghetto lane and ancient trees. It called the children, be awake, fi tear down wall, fi roots remake. Me see the signs pon every wall, the ancient ones still make them call. Rise up people, no more wait. Truth not come from heads of state. Me say revolution start from soul, before we ever take back control. Free your mind, take off the chain, dance pan style, feel the rain. Me plant me open fertile ground, where them system can't track nor count. Me future bright, me steps them sure. Me chant feel love that will endure. Dust of the prophets rise again.
No, 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 no. No, no, no. Zion, Ragaya man. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Rise up early when the sun's still sleeping. Steam the herbs, start the daily reasoning. Bongo drums echo from the hillside. Lion of Judah in a high man stride. Me no need no gold, chain or fame. Me carry Jah light and chant his name. Peace in the heart, fire in the soul. We living the word, not playing no role. Roots temple, rise and shine. Herbs born strong, spirit align. Mountains call, winds reply. Rasta reach in a morning sky. No preacher, no plan, no disguise. Just clean meditation, open eyes. Come inside the temple made of trees. No wall, no door, just ear
what Babylon conceal. But today we not talk about no system. We give thanks for life and praise the rhythm. Roots temple, lift me up, fill me chalice, pour jack up. In a silence me hear the sound, heartbeat of earth so profound. This ain't no fiction, no fairy tale. This is real life, roots on sacred trail. And when the moonlight dance pan leaves, me chant a psalm and my soul believes. No fear when Jah lights around, no lies can shake this holy ground. Me trod in a circle of ancient peace, where hate and ego cease to exist. Me no need church, me no need crown. Me sit in a roots temple, burn it down. You them a come, searching for guide. Me show them the smoke and say step inside. But first give thanks, then spark the flame. Then let the silence call Jah name. Me teach bout herbs, me teach bout drum. How fi hear Jah voice when the world get dumb. Each puff a prayer, each beat a truth. Me pass the torch from elder to youth. Roots temple, lift me high. Blaze and meditate till we touch the sky. No money, no hype, just word, sound, power. In a lion strength and rainbow shower. When me leave this place, me spirit stay in a roots temple where the drums still play, where time slow down and thoughts get clean, where we sip ital tea and sight unseen. So remember this when life get cold. Come back to roots, come back to soul. Zion echoes, carry the flame. Roots temple, remember the name. Oh, we say rise up, rise up. The struggle real, but we no give up. Jah bless me soul, me nah lose hope. Rise up, rise up. Them want see we fall, but we stand tall. No care about the system, them can't hold we down at all. We a warrior, me tell you, say me born for fight. Me light up the darkness, me shine so bright. Them try to lock me spirit in a cage. Them write the laws, but me turn the page. Just set me free, so me claim my place. Me walk with courage, me move with grace. Rise up, stand firm on your feet. No matter how the wicked them a plan for defeat. Rise up, make your spirit shine. Me know I said the victory are for mine. Me see Babylon, them corrupt and cold. Them sell them soul for the diamonds and gold. But me no bow, me no sell out my faith. Me chant my songs, me no fear the hate. The youth them lost, them searching for guide. Me tell them look inside, no follow the lies. Jah give we wisdom, Jah give we light. Me walk with the truth, me walk with the right. Rise up, stand firm on your feet. No matter how the wicked them a plan for defeat. Rise up, make your spirit shine. Me know I said the victory are for mine. Me chant for the people, me chant for the youth. Me chant for the elders, me chant for the truth. Me chant for the love, me chant for the light. Me chant for the freedom, me chant for the fight. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. We no stop fight till the battle is won. Rise up, the journey just begun. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. We no stop fight till the battle is won. Rise up, the journey just begun. Rise up, say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. We no stop fighting, the battle is won. Rise up, the journey just begun. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. We no stop fighting, the battle is won. Rise up, the journey just begun. Rise up.
Aye. Smoke a kosher man. Morning rise, the sky is so bright. Son of Zion, bring the light. Every shadow fade away. Sun declare a righteous day. Babylon throne can't withstand. Son of Jah, shine the land. Every ray of prophecy, sun illuminate eternity. Children laughing golden flame, sun exalt Jah holy name. Elders chant with joyful sound, son of Zion spread around. Not of violence, not of war, sun bring peace forevermore. Every field begin to grow, son of Zion blessed below. Desert bloom, the river shine, son of Zion, pure divine. Traveler lost upon the road, sun reveal the righteous code. No man strong enough to hide, son of Jah forever guide. Generation see the sign, son of Zion bright line. Through the storm, son of Zion still perform. Babylon crumble, wall decay, son of Jah light the way. Every heart a fire burn, son of Zion always return. Morning glory, endless flame, sun proclaim Jah mighty name. Far horizon, east to west, son of Zion never rest. Every nation, every race, son of Zion shine with grace.